Yeah, we have hit our first winter storm. I'm currently in Chicago. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. Hope y'all are having a great, wonderful day. Look at this mess. Looks atrocious, bro. Literally looks atrocious. GoPro's being charged up right now, so when I do get that charge up, I'll turn the camera back on. We are headed to Virginia. Guess what we just bust on? New battery pack. I forgot I had a battery pack in the truck with me, man. I literally forgot. I ain't gonna lie to you. Police been out like crazy over here in Chicago. Man, the traffic been bad, everything been bad. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm not gonna lie. And these windshield wipers are annoying. The snow thicker than your girl. A hell of a day, I ain't gonna lie. And it is only 12 o'clock, 12:44, well, 1 o'clock, depending on where you at right now. And it ain't even 1 o'clock. It might be 11 o'clock, or it might be 10 o'clock. You know what I'm saying? Depending on where you at in the world. But where I'm at, it is 12:44. I need to go get some new windshield wipers for the truck. Will I do it in this video? Probably not. I'm not gonna lie. I'm just really ready to get out this freaking snow, bro. The whole thing of me taking off in the winter, bro, is so I don't drive in the snow. Look at that cop running the light. Hey, what he doing? You think he got that special privilege, bro? I hate cops like that. Bro, get no special privilege, gang. Bro, it sucks when it's like winter like this, because you got to keep the heat on to keep the ice off the windshield wipers, but it be too hot, and then you want to turn the AC on, but then it's like, bro, the window gonna ice up and the ice ain't gonna melt. So it's just like, bro, it's a bad predicament, you know what I'm saying? And I also found out today, when I press this button, it's like to get windshield wiper fluid to shoot up, bro. Look what happens. No windshield wiper fluid at all. So there's that. It's a lot I gotta deal with, but oh well. I'll deal with it one day, just not today. Bro, why are y'all stopping, gang? Open highway. Y'all stopping for what, bro? I wonder if he trying to, why would you get over all the way right there and you see it's a truck broke down right there? Y'all just do some stupid stuff. Y'all just don't think. Y'all some, look at her on her phone. I'm getting in front of her, don't worry about it. Oh, this highway is walky slush. Guys, please understand, I'm just trying to make ends meet and feed my family. This snow, I'm not messing with it though. I might be a rapper, I ain't gonna lie. It's my life. Oh, I need to get over. Hey, yo, hey Mexico, please let me over, bro, please. Thank you. Chill, I am not trying to go fast. Why they ain't plow these roads yet? What the? Hey, what's going on, bro? Plow these roads, bro. Hey, I hate the snow. I ain't gonna lie. Especially over here. Like, if I was over, oh, it's scary. If I was over in like, like Wyoming or Colorado, hey, the roads would be clear already. They run them plows through the night and be straight. Hey, by the morning time, by the time you get ready to hit the road, but they open the I-80 back up. You ready to go? Do I need to get over? Twin. I can't see the freaking lanes, bro. It's like this guy's in 2 lanes or something. I don't know what's going on, bro. I'm lost. I'm so lost. It's telling me to go this way, and that says no trucks, so I'm gonna use my common sense and not go that way. And this is a phone GPS anyway, so yeah. I told y'all I ain't buying no GPS, bro. Maybe next year, or not, but still, maybe next year. We're going 35 right now. I know y'all are curious. I don't know if y'all can see the speed. We are going 35. Pretty decent speed for said weather conditions. So, and they not trying to let bro over either. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Bro, I ain't gonna lie. Earlier, y'all, I went to Walmart, and obviously they don't plow the parking lots. Bro, I slid straight into a curb, bro. Not even gonna lie to you. Straight into a curb. I'm happy it was a curb and not another car. That's really what I was happy about. We do have a load. I did pick it up. I did not record that part. Just because I completely forgot. I'm not gonna lie. I did completely forget. But we have 11 hours and 38 minutes, bro. 752 miles. If it wasn't for traffic, bro, I think it'd be shorter. But it is what it is. Oh, and then look, I'm about to drop down to Indiana right now. As y'all know, I'm in Chicago, Illinois. So once I drop down to Indiana, bro, all the snow will cease to exist. It will still be very cold. It will still be very cold, but the snow will not be like relevant. Which, hey, I'd rather just be cold. I ain't gonna lie. You ain't gotta worry about your tires and ice and slipping up. You ain't gotta worry about none of that. I ain't gonna lie. And it's getting kind of cold. Oh. I was in that this morning. Well, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, ain't too much happening right now. I'm about to merge onto these highways, and I'll see y'all when we get to, where we going? Stop fucking braking! There's always that one person that will always have your heart. Yo, look at this, bro. I'm in freaking traffic. Somebody done cried that wheel. They done smacked the whip up. Nah, twin that Trump to that guy. Bro, why did that broom fall? It looked dangerous. And my iPad done fell. Everything done fell, bro. So I really just been chilling. Let me turn these hazards off. You know what I'm saying? Oh my goodness. No, the fuck. Yo, I was supposed to get there at midnight, gang. Now I say 1:44. I wonder if it's because I switched times. What the fuck? Twin that trim. Twin that trim. All right, let's find a truck stop real quick. Hold on. Oh my gosh, you're on your phone while you're driving? Suck my fucking cock, bro. Holy shit. Lebanon. What they got to offer though? Damn, they only got Cinnabon as a restaurant? The fuck? The fuck? Shh, please shut up. Oh shit, I didn't even need to unplug that. I'm tweaking. What the fuck you looking at? Fuck you got your windows down for and it's snowing, dumbass. I hate people. I hate a lot of shit in this world. Not gonna lie. Well, I wanted to stop and give me something to eat. But really ain't even hungry, I ain't gonna lie. See if I can hit some loves. There's always that one person that will always. Oh! Move, bitch. What the fuck? Nobody want that dumb ass. 20 that Troon. What's here? McDingies? Hardee's. Fuck no, I'm not eating no Hardee's. Oh, y'all, don't look like I'm eating. Matter of fact, let me see where a White Castle at. On some White Castles. What y'all think happened up here, gang? I want to be like one of them. There, bye. I was about to say something racist. Racist! But I refuse. Yo, my radar and everything, like, bro, I'm about to show y'all the front of this truck, bro. I'm in an ice storm. because not an ice storm, but a winter storm, and my whole front of my truck is iced up. And that's a fire feature, bro. Schneider and Amazon, bro, are so smart for doing that. Like, you can, like, hey, when they hit the brakes, that yellow light pop up, and that's like convenient. It's like, hey, I'm stopping. It's like a little warning. Very nice. Heavier than usual on your traffic route. Oh shit. What was the fucking first clue? I don't like pressing my brakes, y'all, so that's why I just stay far away. And that's why I always use my Jake brake like a lot. I hate using my brakes. Like, I use them if I have to, but I'd rather not. I'd rather not. There. I want to know what happened, bro. That's what I want to know. There's always that one person that will always have you on. I don't know the name of that song, but it's stuck in my head. Hey, what the fuck you get over here for, doofus, if you was just gonna get back over? Why they both try to peek at the same time? Oh, the accident over here. Oh, wait, is it? Oh, it is. Oh no. Hey, y'all gonna have to, oh, it involved a truck. Oh, he tried to be nice and let me over. I'm an asshole. I'm trying to get as far up as I can, gang. In life, you gotta go as far as you can, bro. Getting over on as many people as you can, and then finally, you get on the right path. What the fuck that goes? Come on! Alright, it's a bet. Cause look, my man's let me over anyway. Get that piece of shit out of here. Shit ain't gonna survive through fucking winter. That piece of shit. Yeah, y'all can get over. Go ahead. What are you talking about? Put your hand down, sassy ass boy. Hey, no. Oh, okay. You're gonna find out the worst way, bruh. Don't play with me. Sit your ass back there. Damn, there goes somebody under the fender liner right there. Bro, I don't know why they're trying to drive fast in the snow anyway. It ain't snowing on the ground, but it's like, hey, crossing the bridge, bro. They look beautiful, low-key. Look at the little trees. I wonder what happened. Hold on, moment of truth, y'all. Oh, he ran into the back of the... Oh, knocked the headlight out. What? That nigga literally got his light knocked out. What the fuck? All right, we got cancel. Let's get over, guys, because we got 6 minutes till we get to our food. I know I shouldn't even be eating White Castle, bro, but I'm gonna eat it. Cancel. No. Bro. I don't know if y'all... Oh. All right, y'all, so we are getting off on exit 172. I'd be an asshole if I just kept holding it like that. I never flick people off. I'm actually very nice, bro. Y'all can see it, but They ain't gonna see it, bro. I never do people like that in person. Look, there go that piece of raggedy trash that didn't want to let me over. A Grand Prix. I ain't gonna lie though, my mama used to have one of those, so I really can't talk too much smack about it. Bro, I don't know what it is, bro, but every time I come to a stop and start up again, it smells like neck bones in the truck, bro. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if somebody pranking me, but it literally smells like neck bones in here. There's always that one person that will always have your heart. Oh shit. Oh shit. My bad, twin. Come on. Guys. Come on, guys. I'm gonna clean my front radar off. Y'all, I'm about to show y'all how my front radar look, bro. It looks terrible. White Castle! Oh, I could get Chick-fil-A and get a salad. I know that was a funny joke, huh, y'all? I can't sit behind them, bro. I ain't gonna lie. It was pissing me off. It's really just this mother freaker. Oh, that boy on 30s in this little Jeep Sahara. I need this truck to speed up. No! I need to make the exit! Way up! Way up! Wow. I love when people are so nice to truckers and let truckers over. Oh, I didn't look at see if I can even park up in this hole. I want a Ford Bronco, but it got to be the Raptor hard version. All right, let's see if I can park up in this hole. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Damn. I stopped. Can I park here, guys? Hey, it don't matter. I'll make a way. Y'all could go for some Cobras, but we gonna go just for like little burgers. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Make sure ain't nobody on the side of me. Ain't nobody on the side of me. Why they put the entrance 10 weeks down the road? What the hell? That White Castle look dusty. I'm still about to eat there, gang. I ain't gonna even lie to you. I can't even act like I'm not finna eat there, because I am. Is that a Walmart? Or a Meijer? Oh man, that's a Detroit. That remind me of Detroit. I was at home. Oh yeah, I'm in the snow! Woohoo! Alright. Now let's get up here to White Castle and order the food. Yep, there's that neck bone smell again. Yeah, buddy, walking in the snow. You're up one. Very proud of you. Subway. Whiskey Bob's Saloon. I don't think a black person could go in there. Let's go. What the fuck? Why is there a thing of water right here? I wonder how cold that is. Hey, fuck you. Pay attention. Fucking idiot. No truck parking. Oh shit. Oh shit, guys. Wings, etc. No truck parking. Oh fuck, guys. I don't feel like walking this far. What the hell? I gotta walk. No truck parking. Enforced 24 hours. I'm about to park right here then. But they don't say it right here, gang. No semis beyond this point. Beyond this point, no semis. I just go get food. I don't want to park here. Roughing up the feathers. Bro, I love being the troll. It's actually my favorite part of the day. TBH. No, that truck cannot park here. I'm gonna pass out if he does. Shut your mouth. All right, let's go. Oh, I have to put on gym shoes because I have a slight walk on my hands. Actually, and I'm not bringing this camera, I'm not gonna lie. So guess what? I see you guys when I get food. I also just remembered, y'all, I did not show y'all the radar. Oh, it's not covered in ice anymore. Oh yeah, it is. Thin layer ice. Get it all off. All good. Guys, I get White Castle in the truck, chicken rings, and 4 burgers. Nice. I eat and BRB. Yo, look at this line, bro. This is another reason, bro. Winter season is not it. It's a line to get in the pilot on the street, dog. My mom talking. I don't know why she talking when she hear me recording, but she talking for some reason. But as y'all can see, there's a line to get into the pilot. So we wait. All right, y'all, as y'all saw, I was waiting in line, right? So this is the line. There's the truck behind me. What the fuck is this dumbass doing? Pulls up off the truck, says trying to leave because they can't get out because his dumbass is right here. What the fuck? The nigga's so fucking stupid, bro. The nigga in a rush to go fucking nowhere. Bro's a fucking bozo. A fucking imbecile, bro. And then I got this nigga in this Dodge truck who act like he driving a damn stretch long nose Pete. Man, fuck you. You ain't going nowhere, nigga. Damn, dumbass. All right, y'all, let's get fuel. Y'all, I got my fuel, and I'm getting the hell up out this truck stop, right? And I literally was only here for like 10 minutes, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Cause it's, look at this, bro. It's ridiculous here. And now niggas can't see to leave out because other trucks are blocking it. But that should give it the freaking go ahead. Hey, get out the way, dickhead. Anyways, let's get back on this highway. Good morning, y'all. Man, it is the next day indeed. As y'all know, it was an 11-hour drive. I only had like a couple hours on my clock when I stopped and when I picked up. So I stopped, went to sleep, obviously did my 10-hour, and now we are getting there at 11:20 in the morning. Originally, we were supposed to get there at midnight, but, well, not midnight, like 1 a.m. Went to sleep, did what I had to do, and now we are rolling. We are in West Virginia, man. Look at the snow sitting on the trees. It actually looks pretty beautiful out here, I'm not gonna lie, but I hate the snow, so it don't look that good. Also, my freaking windshield wiper thing does not work, so windshield's just gonna be dirty. I take truck to shop, hope shop fix. If not shop fix, I don't know what I do, but that's what we gotta deal with. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Speed limit 60, I'm going 65. The cops actually usually, like, I just saw one earlier, but they usually sit on the side of the road in West Virginia. Like, I ain't too worried about it. I don't know if y'all noticed, my route is literally like from the east to Illinois back. Like, that's all I really do. Snow not too bad. last night did piss me off with that fuel situation, bro. I forgot, bro. As y'all know, I did not drive last winter. I don't even know why I'm still driving right now, honestly. I literally can't tell you. But I didn't drive last winter. So with that being said, I was not up to par and up to date on how bad it get in situations and all that mess, bro. I literally completely forgot, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. But I had a reminder yesterday, and that was enough. That's all I needed. Literally all I needed. I was like, yeah, it's not what I want to deal with. Get somebody else to do it. Which I think my last loads are coming up here. Oh, steady boy. My last loads are coming up very soon. Probably do like 3-4 more loads. Take truck. Say bye-bye. And I don't know if I'll come back to trucking. Depends on how it is in 2025, man. Depends on how it is. That is why I'm still in the truck, because I was trying to see what was happening with the trucking market. It's all right, not the greatest, still kind of the same. Yeah, but I don't know. I may come back if it's good. If it's not, deuces forever. I always love truck driving though. Like, don't get it messed up. Truck driving changed my life. It did a lot of things that I didn't know I was able to do with trucking. I opened up a lot of doors that I didn't know was gonna be open. God definitely looked out. I was blessed. Well, I still am blessed, but just all good things must come to an end. Trucking is really like a tool, bro. It's the tool to get you to where you want to go and where you want to be. I think that's what trucking is for. I just don't think I want to be like, I see older people in the truck and I be like, bro, like they look like miserable. Like, no, like they may not be miserable, but if I look over and I see an old dude hunched over his steering wheel and just driving and he looks mad, bro, it just reminds me like, bro, this is supposed to be the stepping stone to get you out to really chase your dreams on what you want to do. So that's what I'm gonna use it as. I'm gonna use it as a stepping stone to chase my dreams. Can you please go past me, bro? You've been riding on the side of me for the longest. Go. Get the hell out of here. Why do people do this? Damn, dude. Damn, tail light and tailgate finna freaking break. Tail light already broken. Please don't ride on the side of the trucks, bro. That shit is so annoying. Yeah, I thought about being ghetto and just getting some water and pouring it on there, but that'd have to be like something I do when I stop, you know? Can't do it right now.
Speed check reported ahead on I-64 East.
Oh, speed check. Tired. I think I'm gonna go home, unload everything. I don't know where I'm going after this load actually, but I know a week before I need to go home, unload everything in the truck, take everything out, and then ride out. You know what I'm saying? Oh, there go the speed check right there. Look at him. He's on that side of the highway. Look at the copper. That should be cheating. You're not visible. That's why I always look at the on-ramps when I pass them, bro. Because they love to camp. Okay. Why would you get in between two trucks? Watch this car, y'all. He's literally about to get right back over. Watch what I tell y'all. Okay, that car passed. Get over. How did I know? Same routine every time. I'm trying to use the water that's coming off the ground to clean the windshield. Although it's dirty water, it still helps a little bit, not gonna lie. Chill, bro. I'm in my lane. Watch out, nigga. Stay in your lane. What the hell? Why would he get over towards the vehicle with flashing lights? You wait to get over after you pass. I needed to rain for a little second, y'all. Yeah, I want to turn on the camera, talk to y'all for a little bit, let y'all know what's going on with Big Tez. I ain't really got too much going on, as y'all can see. I probably won't turn the camera back on until we get there, and then we'll go pick up another load. I'll make this, I don't know if I'll make it all one video, but I'll probably turn the camera back on once we get there. I'm tired and I don't feel like yapping to y'all right now, so that's the best bet, twins. No way a truck crashed. He crashed, bro. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, gang. At least it was off the road. Bro, his whole rim was just bent in. Like on a drive side. He maxed it. Hey, that's that CDL. Like, hey, cooked this CDL. Well, I don't want to say cooked this CDL, but hey, it's definitely not a good look for it. Anyways, I turn camera on later. Alright guys, I clean the windshield, and when I clean windshield I stop, I get McDonald's. Bad choice, probably. I wish this car would speed up so I could get over, but of course they be stupid. Thank you, nice car. Anyways guys, we're 38 minutes away guys, and we were supposed to arrive now, but I stop and clean window, get food, take time. Now we're here. Now I'm behind this guy, and this guy don't drive, but it's okay. I pick up camera when we arrive. Okay guys, we arrive. I do something different. I pull forward into the shop, and then they unload me. I never done this before, but hey, clearly they know what's best. Okay guys, we wait, they unload, I park,